you can get Izu's Heirloom unique in Diablo 4. Izu's Heirloom in Diablo 4 is a legendary unique item which can significantly enhance your character's abilities and playstyle. Its unique properties make it a must-have for any serious Diablo 4 player looking to take their gameplay to the next level. However, to get your hands on Izu's Heirloom, you'll need to navigate the game's challenging endgame content and overcome tough enemies. But don't worry, with the right strategies and knowledge, you can increase your chances of acquiring this coveted item. You can get the Izu's Heirloom unique boots among the first unique items unveiled at launch in Diablo 4. You'll have to reach World Tier 3 minimum. Beginning at World Tier 3 and expanding to World Tier 4, you can unfold chests across Sanctuary, and there's a possibility you'll locate the Izu's Heirloom unique. However, as a rule of thumb, harder challenges and activities offer a better chance at farming uniques. So completing Gathering Legions, running Nightmare Dungeons, and even facing world bosses will work much more effectively. Additionally, you can select to farm Izu's Heirloom unique boots by facing Uber bosses. This endgame activity revealed during Season 2 will have you face strong bosses at particular places in Sanctuary by offering summoning materials. In case of Izu's Heirloom, you'll need to face the Echo of Varshan or the Beast in the Ice Uber bosses. Since Izu's Heirloom is part of their loot table, there are numerous versions of these bosses with particular material requirements. Gad Insider has compiled a table to know from where to get them. If you've got the Izu's Heirloom during your travels in Diablo 4, then your Sorcerer build will support an increased critical strike chance boost of 20 to 40% depending on your movement speed bonus. Movement speed more than 12.5 to 18%. Critical strike damage more than 57 to 75%. Movement speed for 7 seconds after killing an elite 8 to 12.5%. And resistance to all elements 8 to 10%.